Good day, lumberjacks and lumberjills. It is I, Derek McCloud. I am a joy activist, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a rocket stove. And I just gotta say, make sure you have adult supervision if you're a young person, because safety first. Boom. Here are the items that you will need to build a rocket stove. First, you need a log. Then you need a lighter fluid, fat wood. You need a drill, paddle bit. I have a 1 inch and 1/4. A 1 inch would be fine, but the bigger the better. You need lots of dry twigs. All right, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is drill a hole as far down as you can go, or at least halfway down the log. All right, and the next thing you're gonna wanna do is lay the log down sideways and then drill a hole to meet the other hole that you did vertically. Let's see. All right, so this was really easy. So what I did next is I put a little bit of lighter fluid down the hole, then I lit it, making sure it connected, and now I'm just gonna nurse it. This wood is actually a little bit wet, this log, so I'm gonna just keep putting little twigs in there. All right. And fat log is gonna be your best friend. Make sure that you do not plug the hole. The fire needs to breathe. And once the fire has been going for a while, once it gets really hot in that center, it will go for hours and hours. So number one, you gotta let it breathe. And this will take a good minute, but this is more of an advanced fire building technique. Let's wait and see what happens in 5 minutes. Let's see if I can get it really going on its own. All right, guys, a big part of making good fires is just listening to it, right? So I can tell that it's dying just a tiny bit. So I wanna make sure that I'm feeding it some wood. There's also nothing wrong with using a little bit of lighter fluid carefully, right? All right, and you just listen to it and nurse that fire. Remember, you want it getting as hot as you can from the inside. And once you get it going, it's gonna burn forever, or at least till the log goes away. Man, I'm kind of proud of myself. This was a lot easier to make than other rocket stoves I've done. Another tip is, as long as you're seeing smoke, where there's smoke, there's fire. So if it's smoking like this, you know it's still cooking deep on the inside. We want this log getting as hot as we can from the inside. Once it's burning from the inside, it will burn from the outside too. It's a beautiful thing. You can cook with it. You're gonna love it. So anytime I work with fire, I like to think about the fire God has in my heart, the fire to do good on this earth, the fire to serve Him, to worship Him, and make Him known. So I hope this video blesses you. And guys, if you have found enjoyment in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. It helps the YouTube algorithm. It helps people find out about our channel. So let's have a cup of tea. Once this fire is going enough, you can take 3 or 4 rocks, put it around the fire, and then you can put a tea kettle or stove, and then you can cook, and then when you're done, you can make yourself a cup of tea. Cheers, everybody. Delightful. We'll check back in the evening when this rocket stove is really going.
3 hours later.
Well, hey guys, as you can see, the fire is going a lot better. And if I put it out and do it again another day, it'll be even easier to start, so it's really cool. One thing I almost forgot to mention is it's good to have paper plates or some sort of fan where you can fan it and get it really going. But anyways, thanks guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, tell people about it, and maybe I'll make other random videos of random things I know how to do. God bless y'all. See ya. So this is my first rocket log. Not bad.
I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay. I sleep all night and I work all day.
He's a lumberjack and he's okay. He sleeps all night and he works all day.
All right, this is my lumberjack family with my lumberjill and your lumberjack baby. It's fun to make rocket logs with your family, so there we go.